we have open-minded senators. If Chacha is in the agenda, we will talk about that. 4 years, 4 years.
So it is
yung application ng new constitution on the incumbents would be governed by transitory provisions. So hindi pa natin nakikita yung itsura ng transitory provisions na yun. But maybe nakalagay doon that in case of the incumbent president, he will be entitled to run, but this time for a 4-year term. That is what is in the new constitution. But I predict, even if you give him that possibility, he will not avail or take advantage of it.
Sir, clarify ko lang sa judiciary kasi kung sabi ni Pili, isang sobra na daw yung power ng judiciary.
That is the opinion of the President. Ako naman, I want to maintain a system where the citizens can run to an agency which will review official acts of government.
Or are you in favor of splitting the powers of the judiciary?
No, not as of this moment. No, I'm not in favor of clipping the powers. I'm actually looking at the political setup where my political party is for federalism. Maybe we can entertain parliamentary system, etc. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Extension or kung extension pwedeng Chacha or no election. Pero sa ngayon,
no election scenario is to be avoided at all costs and cannot be justified. Okay, thank you.